Overwatch won't launch? You hit play and nothing happens? Maybe Battle.net opens but the game never starts? Maybe it flashes for a second then disappears? Maybe it gets stuck on the loading screen and dies? Track this down. Almost always one of three things: corrupted game files, a broken Battle.net cache, or a permission block stopping it from running. Here's the fix. First, repair the game files. Overwatch can have corrupted or missing files that stop it from launching entirely, and Battle.net has a built-in scanner that finds and replaces them without touching anything else. On Battle.net, next to the play button, click the gear icon. In that dropdown, hit Scan and Repair, then begin scan. It'll take a minute or two. Let it finish. On Steam, right-click Overwatch, Properties, Installed Files, Verify integrity of game files. When it's done, hit play. Try it now. If Overwatch opens, you're done. Drop a comment saying fixed. Helps the next person find this. If it's still not launching, the Battle.net cache might be corrupted. It's a folder of temporary data, and when it goes bad, it can stop games from loading at all. First, fully close Battle.net. Right-click the Battle.net icon in your system tray, bottom right next to the clock, and hit Exit. Make sure it's completely gone, not just minimized. Now press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type this in exactly. %ProgramData% / Blizzard Entertainment Battle.net / cache. It's in the description as well. Hit Enter. That opens the cache folder. Press Ctrl A to select everything inside, then delete it. This won't touch the game itself. Battle.net rebuilds this folder automatically when it restarts. Reopen Battle.net and launch Overwatch. Launch it and see. Does it open? Still not fixed? Windows might be blocking Overwatch from accessing what it needs. Forcing it to run with admin rights gets past that. Find the Battle.net shortcut on your desktop or start menu, right-click it, and hit Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. And then hit Apply and OK. Restart Battle.net and launch the game. Give it a go. That should be it. Overwatch should be launching now. If you're back in, let me know. If it's still not opening, drop a comment telling me exactly what happens. Does nothing open at all? Does it crash straight away? Or do you get an error message? That'll get you to the right fix faster. And if you're hitting other Overwatch issues, FPS drops, stuttering, audio cutting out, I've got those on the channel.